what it do, my peoples. It's your boy Skies Eliminated 3. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So it's just a quick run in, man, like quick pop in. I just pulled up to Mickey Shorr, man. Like you said, like as y'all know in my previous videos, man, I've been really like going hard, trying to get my sound system together inside the whip, man. It sounded good, man. Originally, putting the sub in the trunk, swapping out the radio and everything, all of that sounded good, man. But y'all know I done went a little further, man. So I done changed the interior speakers. I got the 6x9, the Kenwood 6x9s in the front, the Kenwood 6.5s in the 6x9s in the back Kenwoods, 6.5s in the front Kenwoods. They sound great, but they're not to the full capacity, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not getting the best sound, and SilverBeast, she deserves nothing but the best, man. So like I said, I just pulled up to Mickey Shorr. We about to throw the amp on the insides, and we gonna see what it do, man. So anyway, man, like I said, I'm up here at Mickey Shorr out here in Waterford, Michigan. Big shouts out to them, man. They done did a lot of my audio work. So let me go check in with them, man. I'm gonna get back with y'all. If I'm gonna try to get some footage. If I can't get some footage, then my bad, you know what I mean. But I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. I'll let y'all hear what the finished product sound like anyway. All right. So again, man, it's your boy Skies Eliminated 3, man. Keep it locked. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Thanks to all my old subscribers. Thanks for everybody that's been showing me love from day one, man. I appreciate that love. All right. All right, man. Let me get in real quick, man. I got a 9 o'clock appointment, man. In a minute.
Yeah, we're gonna go through here. We're gonna take the Kenwood X line. We're gonna hook up the 4-channel and everything. He's already got the W7 going, so he's already got the bang for it. Just need to get the highs and everything for him so we can actually hear everything. Get the 4-channel hooked up, run everything to the extra battery that he's already got, get it nice and mounted up good, and get everything all nice and clean for it. That way you can hear it screaming and hear it banging.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Y'all heard it. Like I said, man, SilverBeast, she deserves nothing but the best. So that's where I came to. Nothing but the best.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it, man.
Anytime, man. Anytime at all.
No doubt, no doubt. All right, y'all. Just wanted to give y'all that information real quick, man. Like I said, I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute, all right? Peace, love, and happiness. In a minute. What's good, what's good, what's good, my peoples? We back, man, we back. It's your boy Skies Eliminated 3. Y'all see where we at, man. We at Mickey Shorr's, man. Coming to pick up SilverBeast. Y'all see her over there. We just got the sound system put in. So I'm about to go holler at the installer, man. See how she sounds, see what he got to say about it. So like I said, man, unfortunately I was unable to get y'all the installation. You know what I'm saying? Like, I had to roll out. It was gonna take a few hours, but they gave me a call and it's done. So I'm here, man. See how she sounds. What's happening with you, bro? How'd it turn out? Everything good?
Yeah, it's screaming now.
Okay.
Yes, sir. He's got the keys up front. So you want to sit in it, listen to it, and everything like that.
Oh yeah.
I'll be right here anytime.
Cool. Thanks, bro.
Yeah, anytime, man. Anytime.
All right. Be right back. All right, my peoples. So I just got them keys. So I'm about to go take a seat in SilverBeast, man. See how she sound. Hey, just to start this all, before we go any further, I do not own the rights to any of this music that I'm about to put on. We about to, damn, she looking good. Look at that, man. Woo-wee. Yeah. All right, let's get inside of it, man. See how she sounds. Man, look at that Viper. Look at that. Man, every time I get in my car, somebody doing some work in here. They always got the seat all extra high. Yeah, she sounded real good, y'all. Real good. Oh man, I'm very satisfied. Oh yeah.
I got the battery Velcro down and everything for you, so it ain't moving. Screwed the box down and everything for you too, so the box ain't going nowhere at all no more.
Okay,
That's it. If you want to turn it on and listen to it.
Yeah, man. See what we got.
Up there, like I said, battery. I got it Velcro down, so it ain't going nowhere at all no more.
Oh yeah, clean.
Like I said, the box. I got two L brackets that I got screwed down onto it, so you ain't gotta worry about that sliding around no more. Nothing. Like I said, I took it, I turned it on, I had it up to about 26. Some bitch is screaming, and still you hear everything and you feel everything now, man.
That's what I was looking for. Yep. That's what I was looking for.
Yes, sir. But like I said, man, anything else goes on. You want to tune, you need anything adjusted, anything at all, man, anything. You come back and see me.
Hey, I know how to do it. Oh man, you can hear everything. That clarity. All right, I do not own the rights to the music. All right, but it's only right, man. I just got my insides hooked up, my inside speakers hooked up, so I gotta let y'all know what it sounds like. You know what I mean? So YouTube, I apologize. I do not own the rights to this music, but you know, my viewers, you know, all my subscribers, all the people that's been rocking with me since day one, I gotta show them this love. All right, you know what I'm saying? Oh snap! Let another Impala pull it up. Oh, it ain't an SS, but it is a nice, clean silver Impala. You got that deacon stripe happening, but you know, it is what it is. So yeah, man, it's your boy Skies Eliminated 3. We're about to leave the Mickey Shorr joint, man. Good people, man. Good installers, man. Great installation. They really showed me some love, man. They got everything sounding nice and crispy. I'm gonna try to pop the trunk, man, so y'all can. I want to get off their lot before I actually turn it up. You know what I mean? And pop the trunk so y'all can get the whole detail of, you know, what's all been done, man. My audio hookup, man, it's complete. It's complete. I love it. Completion. I love it, man. Like I said, I'm gonna try to get somewhere where I can pop the trunk so y'all can hear it, you know what I mean, hear how loud and crispy it sound. But if I'm not able to do that right now, man, you know, later on down the line, man, y'all gonna get all that. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna get all that footage. All that footage. Alright? Man, that was a clean SS. White boy. Clean white one that just went through. Oh yeah, man. Yeah, the car is out today. Alright, man. It's your boy Skies Eliminated 3, man. Peace, love, and happiness. Make sure y'all keep it locked, man. I got some more video footage coming, man. I still haven't uploaded the LS4 meet video footage that I got, man. I gotta go work on that. I also gotta man, just keep it locked, man. I got a lot of things, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, the summer ain't even really officially kicked off yet, but I'm gonna try to bring y'all as much content as possible, man. You know, in the near future, man. And even all summer long, man. It's about to be a great summer. All right, it's about to be a great summer for everybody, man. Everybody, man, keep your head held high in these tough times, man. Stay safe. You know what I'm saying? Stay smart. You know, continue to practice social distancing, and like I said, just protect yourself at all times, man. All right. It's your boy Skies Eliminated 3. Peace, love, and happiness. Stay locked. Make sure you smash that like. Make sure you smash them, you know, drop me a comment. Definitely smash that subscribe button, man. You gotta do that, all right? You don't do nothing. Hit me off with that subscribe, man. For real. I appreciate all that love, man. Pretty soon, man, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. Maybe it might be an item, it may be even a cash giveaway. Who knows, man? Like I said, drop a comment, man. Let me know what you think, man. All right, man. I know I done said this 100,000 times. It's your boy Skies Eliminating 3, man. Peace, love, and happiness. Till next time. In a minute.